Welcome to As a Crow Flies Hiking. I'm going to do a little video on tips to organize your backpack. We're on a section hike of the Colorado Trail, so I thought I'd stop and show you what's in my pack and how I packed it. The caveat is some of this may work for you and a lot of it won't, but just throw away what it doesn't work. But you may get 1 or 2 tips out of this and it'll work for you. All right, here we go. First, my trekking poles. I'm going to put them right there and I'm going to take off my pack. The most important piece of gear that I have, I think, is in this bag. I lay out this footprint that was given to me by Metro on the Move and Senior Hiker 77. And this is big enough for all my gear. And so that's what I lay all my gear on as I organize it. I'll show you first what's on the outside of the pack, and then I'll go on the inside. The first thing I'll say is what's on the outside of the front pocket. The front pocket carries things that I need to get to quickly, like a rain jacket. So I keep that there. It also carries my trowel kit or toiletry kit. I keep that on the outside because I have to get to that quickly. And then of course my filtration bag, which has my Canuck bag, my Sawyer squeeze, and an extra Sawyer bag in case I need it. So that is the big pocket, and those are things that I have to get to quickly. But I also carry this fanny pack, and these are things that I can get to without having to stop, without having to take off my backpack, and I think that's important. Those are the things that, you know, hopefully I could just get to real quick and not have to worry about it. So I carry Tums and stuff because I have acid reflux. I carry stickers for As a Crow Flies Hiking because I'm always trying to proselytize people and give them stickers on the trail so they'll subscribe. So please subscribe. If you don't, it's no big deal. And then I have in a waterproof bag, my fanny pack, I have my GoPro batteries in this Hilltop Packs bag. I have medicine that I have to carry. I have my reading glasses because I'm old. And I have altitude sickness medicine if I have to carry that. And then I have my Picaridin or Picardin, whatever you call it, from Sawyer. That's helped me keep all these black flies off of me. I carry my kind of ultralight wallet. So that is the things that I have to get to. Other things that I can get to quickly in my Hyperlite mountain gear pack, on the side, the water bottle holder. So I got my water bottle here, and I got my food for the day. I carried in each has a 1-day pack of food. This is in a freezer bag, a quart-sized bag, so I keep all the food that I'm gonna eat in that for the day. And you can see the Hyperlite mountain gear has a great front pocket and great side pocket so that you can get to things quickly. On the other side, I have my umbrella in case we're in a storm. And of course I carry the trekking poles, which are also one of these is used to hold up my tent. I'll show you in a second. But I carry 2 because this has been high elevation, so I had to carry 2 for trekking. And then if I break one, which I did last year, then at least I got a spare to hold up my tent. On top, I have my sit pad. I usually don't carry a chair on a trip like this because I don't want the weight. So I carry just a sit pad. And then I have a front water bottle holder that carries my second one, which is 750 liter. And then in this little pocket, I have my headlamp and my battery charger cable. As you can see, everything is going on this pad here that I have, and that's really helpful because it makes sure that I don't lose anything. Then going into the pack, and again, the way I organize my pack is just one way. It's probably not the best way, and probably there's a lot of other people that do it better. If so, please comment below and tell me things that you would do better. I carry a Gossamer Gear 1/8 inch pad that goes under my sleeping pad. And some people will say, why do you do that? Well, I do it because I do not want it to pop. There are sticks and things all over here that I've got to negotiate, and this keeps a good barrier between that and sticks. And it gives a little bit of insulation. Then I have my eyeglass carrier. Then I have this Ursack that I've been using. And inside the Ursack, I have the food for each day. But, I mean, this is day 4. Do you think 3 electrolytes or 2?
I would go with all electrolytes.
All those, crackers, this, coffee, and that, right? Is that, you think that's enough?
I think so.
That's day 4.
I just can't eat.
Along with my Opsack bags to keep the scent away. And then I have my meal for the night. This is the last night, so lasagna. And each bag, you can see, I've talked about, has the different days for food. I have my puffy jacket. This is the Decathalon jacket, and I carry that. And again, this is on top because it's something I need to get to quickly. And then I have all my cooking supplies in this Hilltop Packs bag. That's on top. Next, inside this Nylaflume bag, which keeps it waterproof inside just from the seams, though the Hyperlite mountain gear is pretty much waterproof. I just, as an extra barrier. In there, I have my sleeping pad, the Thermarest Neo Air Xlite. And below that, I have my electronics, my cables, and my battery chargers so that I can continue to film throughout this 6 days. Then I have my ditty bag, which has various items. I've done a video on that, so check it out. If you want to, I'll put the link up here somewhere. Next, I've got my extra clothes. I don't really have much clothes, but I do have some leggings and an extra shirt just in case, and extra socks because I thought I would get in a rainstorm, and then that way I have clean socks that are dry I could change into. And then my Zpacks Flexsolar, that is the tent I've been using. It's 14 ounces and it has been a godsend for me. Below that, I have my pee bag. Nobody wants to see that, but it is probably one of my favorite pieces of gear because I don't have to get out of the tent in the middle of the night when it's raining or cold. And then lastly, at the bottom, I carry my Enlighten Equipment quilt, and that is pretty much the end of this. What would you do differently? What would you have as your gear different in your pack? What should I give away? What should I add? Let me know in the comments below. Thank y'all for watching this little episode of As the Crow Flies Hiking, and I'll see you on the next adventure.